What if a simple sneeze from Punditdog, the wise and bespectacled canine, could transform the barren into the blossoming? One sunny afternoon, as Punditdog trotted through a dreary park, he felt a tickle in his nose. With a mighty achoo, flowers of every color erupted from the earth, painting the world in vibrant hues. Children gasped in wonder, their eyes wide with delight as they watched the once gray world burst into life. Punditdog wagged his tail, teaching them that even the smallest actions can lead to extraordinary changes. Inspired, the children began to plant seeds, realizing the power of their own small gestures to bring beauty and life to their surroundings. As they worked, Punditdog, with a twinkle in his eye, sneezed once more, ensuring that the world around them continued to bloom. And so, the legend of Punditdog, the sneeze that could make